everybody that I care about gets hurt.
There've been monsters under my bed for so long that now when they're not there anymore, I feel like I have to create them. How do you keep going when the worst thing has happened? What do you have to change inside to survive? What do you have to become? Does it mean that I didn't care for the girl? I fell down in the woods. When I was running, I fell down and I looked at the ground and saw my hand and my sleeve and the little button on my sleeve, some dirt and an old acorn, and I said to myself, okay, if this is the last thing that you ever see, I can handle that. I'm done.
Yeah, you don't want to make this work, you just want to make this worse. Want me to listen to you, but you don't ever hear my words. You don't want to know my hurt yet. Let me guess, you want an apology, probably. How can we keep going at a rate like this? We can't, so I guess I might have to leave. Please don't come after me. I just want to be alone right now. I don't really want to think it all. Go ahead, just drink it all. Both know you're gonna call them all like nothing's wrong. Ain't that what you always do? I feel like every time I talk to you, you're in an awful mood. What else can I offer you? There's nothing left right now. I give it all to you. On the edge right now. I wish that I could say I'm proud. I'm sorry that I let you down. Let you down. All these voices in my head get loud. I wish that I could shut them out. I'm sorry that I let you down. Let you down. Yeah. Don't talk down to me, that's not gonna work now. Packed all my clothes and I moved out. I don't even wanna go to your house. Every time I sit on that couch, I feel like you lecture me. Eventually, I bet that we could've made this work and probably would've figured things out. But I guess I'm a letdown, but it's cool, I checked out. Oh, you wanna be friends now? Okay, let's put my fake face on and pretend now. Sit around and talk about the good times. That didn't even happen. I mean, why are you laughing? Must've missed that joke, let me see if I can find
And I know that coping can't be easy.
That's an understatement.
When those wear off, and they will, whatever is bothering you is still going to be there.
I'm sorry, this can't be very entertaining. There are people here with real problems. Just like you.
That you're having a tough time with your withdrawal. And maybe we should just call the doctor.
Please don't do that. Please don't make me feel any crazier than I already do. What did you make me do? I knew who I was when they found me. I knew that my family and friends would be worried. I wanted to fold up and stop.